Everyone. So in this video, we'll look at how to sign into NREF and the basics of the platform. So all I need to do is kind of get into app.nrev.ai. You need to log in here with your Google SSO. As far as you have a Google Workspace, which is a non-Gmail ID, you can log into NREV. So let me just click on sign in with Google. There we go. I select my account that I want to log in with. And there we are. Perfect. Now let me just take you through the different parts of the platform. I'll just shift myself around a little bit. Perfect. So the homepage you land on is basically the main prompt is, where you can build with AI. You just kind of describe what you want to automate or what you want to build out. Click on send and it'll kind of create the workflow for you. The lower section is where you will find the workflows that you've been working on before this. The important things that are there on the left panel in all the workflows of your workspace. So everyone in your workspace who has created any workflow is available from here. You can filter by creator or you can sort by when it was last run or last updated. In motion workflows are basically automations that are running currently or are actively listening to different events. Um, and you can filter by this, by this toggle as well. Um, so you'll find all the automations that are in motion at this point in time, right? You will find your run logs from here, which means every workflow that has run in your workspace is accounted for here. You can further get into any of these to see the detailed node wise run log, but in general this is useful when you want to see where your credits have been consumed. Thirdly, connections. This is where you build all your integrations that are necessary for your workflows. So there can be multiple connections. For example, for me there are two Gmail inboxes that have been connected to NREF. Similarly, yeah, all of these are where you can come in and connect any of these integrations, but you can also build these integrations while you're building the workflow. This is the most interesting part and where you will find inspiration for a lot of automation that you want to build. So there are, these are called plays, which are basically pre-built workflows. And these are classified under certain playbooks. So founder sales accelerator or a LinkedIn precision growth will tell you exactly what kind of motion you're looking to run. And you will find different workflows here. For example, the competition workflow is pretty crazy. You can track which accounts your prospects or your competitors are prospecting to. That means which accounts your competitors' sales reps are engaging with on LinkedIn. And that gives you like basically half bot leads, who you can just go and play the right battle card and just win onto your product or services. And finally, the last part which I wanted to discuss here were the credits. So when you log in, you will find certain credits given to you to play around. And then as you kind of top up, you have additional credits that always show up here, which shows the current count of credits that are remaining for you. Great. That's it. Thank you.